Whoop. Yeah, there is... Whoop. So it lost the strength. Okay? What's missing lang is that sometimes you don't connect. Okay, stop muna tayo. Andun na siya eh. Andun na siya. Pero parang takot kang... Pakawalan mo. Pakawalan mo. It's there. It's all there. Except that it's like pieces of... Ano yun ba yung larong connects na hindi connects? Hindi na ko-connect. Hindi na nako-connect. But it's all there. Yung kanta, it could have made agos. Kaya mo. But you're gonna have to get your connectivity. Huh? That's the only thing that's missing na lang. But all the raw material and all the parts are there. Okay? It's just not connecting. But you have to be, let go. Eh, yung kanta kasi, ang bagay na bagay pa naman sa'yo yung kanta, pero, you need to let it go. Yeah. You need to open up. Parang I feel like finding the key that will unlock that part there. But it's there eh. I just wanted to connect and let go. So hopefully we can work on that this week. People see how you improve from day to day. Tuwang-tuwa sila, kaya nanonood sila. Lalo na pagdating ng girl, and I think, uy, ang galing ni galing na! Ba't galing lang ang grade? You know, damdam nila kasi nakikita nila eh. They watch you day to day. Of course, the jurors don't. No? They just see you on the day itself, and that's the grade you're gonna get. No? But the people they watch you day to day, they see how you improve. Oh, bakit? Sayang! And they watch the lesson kasi when they saw you do it eh. Okay? Yun. Kaya pag, ay, ang ganon. But then there goes na, dapat magandang grade. You know, bakit ganyan lang? Because they see you work on it. And then if they don't see you work on it, they also say, ayan, di kasi nag-aral. It's the same thing. So, you're here. Remember, I'll repeat again, I'm like a broken record. But you're here now, natitira, dahil magagaling na kayo eh. We're fine-tuning. Kumbaga, nagano na lang tayo. Nagpa-file ng nail. Ano na, nakahulma. May hulmaan na eh. Nagpa-file na lang tayo. And as I said, paglabas nyo dito, mas magaling pa nga kayo, siguro, kaysa sa mga nasa industriya na. Dahil nakuha na, lamang na kayo eh. May training na kayo, bukod sa exposure. May training pa kayo. Okay? Kaya hindi namin kayo pakakawalan dito at hindi pwede makawala dito na hindi nyo naiintindihan kung anong dapat nyo gawin. And, as I said, everybody has a beautiful voice. What is going to make you get a higher grade than the other one is how good you are able to apply this technique. See? Lalabas at lalabas din yon. Alright. So, third, si Bugoy. Ay, hindi. Skip. Oo. We will not review that.
Oh, yung Apple 19 na yung nakalagay. Uy, 19 na siya.
Oo nga, 19 na.
Next week, kay Miguel, 19 na 100%.
Pwede mo next week? O, kailangan. Isipin mo, nandito ka next week. Dapat yan ang pag-iisip mo. Okay? Nobody, I will not allow anybody to have a defeatist attitude here.
Ano po?
Defeatist. Ibig sabihin nun, feeling mo, talo ka na. Yun. Hindi ko papayagan ni isa sa inyo magkaroon ng pakiramdam na ganyan. Bakit? Dahil ang swerte-swerte niyo nandito kayo. So you cannot afford to have that. Oh, I like the confidence. I like the ribcage. Yes. Pero, ha?
Wala ako talaga.
Nakikita ko pa rin ang hininga mo eh. Nakikita ko pa rin ang hininga mo.
Mostly ka mo makeup mo dahil sobrang ganda.
Pero magaling nag-makeup sa'yo. Nailabas ang iyong magandang features.
Hey, Bali!